Hey everyone, welcome along to another Market Maker Method video. Today is the 3rd of June 2013. This is a trade I did today on Euro Dollar. So let's just step into it. So on holiday this week, so I woke up, decided to drag myself out of bed around about 7:30ish. Pat had a look at what was going on from Friday. For Friday, I think some of us had this move down. Certainly, I got a little bit of that on the way down, which is good. Got to resistance, a little bit of a jump bar away from resistance there, and then people may have traded this back up or been trying to trade this back up. So we'll see how that plays out as well. I never took this one on. But yeah, I mean, definitely I know some people don't like holding over the weekend, but Martin's already said that, the market makers don't kind of work like that. So, you can hold over the weekend without that kind of, ordinarily people would say, don't hold over the weekend, but if you're following the market maker method, then there's no reason why you shouldn't or couldn't. So let's just step this on. So yeah, so market was obviously fiddling around at resistance. I'd kind of put some levels on as well as this was playing out, just to kind of what traders would call swing points and stuff, real stops and coinciding with any kind of 90 pip move up as well. So just letting that play out. I ran the what's it called, market map simulator, the MMS. Market map? Market. Why is it again? Oh. Right, it went away. Mind market sync. There we go. Anyway, let's crack on. So, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Okay, so the market's popping around resistance. You can see they've touched the 90 pips there as well. So, I certainly wrote in my journal around about this time. There was nothing just after that profit release up. I had no feeling about it at that time, so we'll let it play on for a good bit longer for most of the morning. Just coming back to check every so often. See it's starting to move up here. Gets above this area that I'd marked as well. And this move up to increase in volume as well. Bit of intensity and some fading back down again. So let's just we'll speed this up a little bit, and then back to resistance again. And while I was doing some of this, I'd maybe go back and run through the MMS again, and just to follow what Martin's instructions were with regards to using that. See if I could develop the sense of knowing from using that MMS function that we now have in PAT. So we get along here, as kind of beliefs are holding above resistance, but then just as we start to get into here, I think this is when I ran another MMS and we had this market maker activity. So again with that, ran another MMS at that point to see if I get the picture, and then it started to become a bit clearer to me. You've had your market maker activity, so you look back, was there any stop taking? Oh, yes, potentially there's some here with this move up. If you were trading and you were coming, if you've been short, you would put stops at here and here and stuff, so you would have been stopped out. So market makers are maybe hoovering up potential sell orders. What's in the box kind of questions going through my head. So it was just after here, maybe not the next bar, but the bar after. Again, it just fades, it gets the resistance, and then this move here. So as it's done this, I've thought, okay, I've got it. this is worth a move down, a sell on down, and probably at least to either here. This was a high volume from the previous day, 68, and we had this one here as well. So which funny enough coincided with 90 pips on the way back down. So that was what I targeted down here. Just looking for a little bit of a retrace to get me in. I thought it might come back to resistance, but stuck on the retrace tool anyway. Once it started to move back up, so I think I ended up getting filled around about just below 1.3000. So that's what we're looking at. As it faded in here, as this bar formed here, this is when I got in. So I got myself in there. I thought it was maybe going to touch, but you'll see what happens in a wee second. So we start to get a little bit of fading. So I was going to fade to the up there. You can see it's working its way. And then there we go. Now we're starting to move underway. So when it's doing this, I'm certainly happy that I'm probably going to get a 90 pip profit release here. I got my stop. I was filled around about 98, I believe. Somewhere around about here. 98.7, I think it was. So I had now moved my stop to here. Or my stop was there. I think it was maybe up there initially. Then just moved it to there. I'll let it play along. As it got to resistance, just in case I moved it to break even, that seemed a sensible thing to do as it got to this high volume from the previous day. Locked in a bit of profit, and there as it pops through, I was just bringing this down a bit more as we're moving our way down, and there you go. And as soon as it touched the 90 pips, I just closed my position. I don't think I automatically didn't get closed. It was like 1 pip off it, so I ended up getting plus 35 pips on the move down. So this is it bounced back up a little bit, and as you can see, it was probably a dash good idea. I found out later this was a news-based thing coming out of America. I was paying no attention to it, to be honest, but just someone mentioned it later on. And that was it. So that was a nice little move down. Not a massive amount of pips, but yeah, positive pips is all good. I didn't trade the British pound today. What was it up to? I really just wrote my journal. I wasn't getting what was going on with that at all. There's the British pound there. Yeah, you can see it didn't fall through like Euro did. I mean, you had market maker activity, but there was no resistance, so you were kind of gambling, guessing as if to think that was going to go down. We got accumulation there, but didn't see it for me. Maybe someone saw it move up. I simply didn't get it, so I didn't trade it. Okay, that's it. Good luck, guys.